Yo, what's going on, boys? We are back. It is Sunday, the 29th of March, so we are kicking off tomorrow with a new month. Um, and thank God for that as well. Wait, is it tomorrow or is it? Oh, okay, never mind. It's Tuesday. That we come into a new month. But anyways, prices are a pretty good spot. I'm not gonna lie. So, high time for this is a monthly chart. We've retraced all the way back down into this monthly BISI. So ideally, we start to see some bullish structure here. As for tomorrow, obviously the AM session, we have Powell speaking. So AM session will be off the cards. I doubt I'll be around for it anyways. But the clocks have gone back to normal, so I might actually be able to make a couple AM sessions here and there if I get back from work early enough. Um, but I will be looking at the PM session. Hopefully, shit has calmed down by then and the market is clear. If not, then I'll just skip tomorrow. Um, but nonetheless, uh, in terms of overall market direction, who knows if we want to come lower. So, obviously, we've displaced and closed below this weekly sell side, but we have tapped that monthly BISI. Now, there is still room for the downside because we have this monthly that is in discount of the range. Obviously, we're still in a premium of this overall range through here. We're still in the premium when we're retracing, so I won't be surprised if we do end up selling off still for the coming weeks down to this. But we gotta wait for that daily structure, that 4 hour structure, to tell us where we want to go. Now, from a daily chart, we have this nice daily SIBI resting above. So this is what we can expect to happen. So we've taken sell side, we've tapped into a monthly gap. So I am expecting bullish price action coming into next week. I want to see us retrace this daily gap. And then from here, we do two things. We either continue lower and we start to target that monthly discounted fair value gap. Or we can run through this and then that gives us a pretty obvious draw. We have LRL resting through here from a daily chart. All right. So if we can display through that, we can catch a pullback to a high time frame gap, and then we start looking for that internal model targeting these highs. Now, if we want to get above these and displace hard, then obviously all-time highs are on the cards, but I'm looking way too far in the future here. But yeah, man, we are in not a bad spot. So this market maker sell model from a high time frame standpoint, it is complete. All right. So we've taken, this was buy side, the sell side of the curve, and we've taken a high time frame draw on liquidity, and then we've tapped into a high time frame imbalance within the market. There's a weekly gap within here as well. So definitely want bullish prices coming into next week. So and news for next week also looks pretty darn good. I think we're going to see a lot more volume in the market. I think we're going to see a lot more clear price action. And we've obviously got that new monthly candle opening. So, man, I'm excited to see what next week brings. And I'm running two funded accounts now. So, and they're in slight profit. So, hopefully, we can have a banger week and request that payout. And then we can get another one of these bad boy plaques that are up here. So, yeah, news for next week. We got Powell speaking for 10 a.m. of the New York session tomorrow. So as I said, this is off the cards until PM session, which I'll probably be around for. Tuesday, I've got 10 a.m. news. Again, we love that volume. So yeah, hopefully I'm around for that. Probably won't be, but definitely trading Tuesday. Wednesday, we have pre-market news here and 10 a.m. news. Again, beautiful. We want all that volume we can get. Definitely trading on Wednesday. Thursday, pre-market news again. Okay, I thought it was a USD bank holiday there. Never mind. Yeah, so trading Thursday as well. And Friday, cool. We got obviously it's a bank holiday in the UK. But not for the US. So I'll be trading Friday as well, and that's pre-market. And I'll be around for AM session on that, I believe, if I'm not in work. Hopefully I'm not. But yeah, like next week, this week, man, this looks fucking beautiful. Can't like, wait, oh, isn't Friday? Oh yeah, shit. I mean, I'll just see what we look like Friday. But yeah, I'm liking this market, man. I'm liking it. Obviously, we were able to catch some nice shorts through here on Friday. What I didn't catch, I was monitoring the PM. Actually, you know what? Let's go over the PM session. So, I was paper trading this. I took a nice W. Let's go to 2 p.m. If I can remember correctly what happened. But this monthly gap here was the draw on liquidity. I wanted to see if we can get up in this 15-minute gap, but we didn't actually get there. So, on a 5-minute chart, we have this 5-minute. So I said, cool, we can either hold this and we come, because we were so bearish, I wasn't worried about that 15-minute. But I said, cool, if we can hold this and come lower, then that 15-minute gap remains open, or we close above and then we wait for the tap into the 15. 5-minute gap gets traded into. We take out all this resistant liquidity through here. Then, shifting market structure. I want to see this low get shifted below, because this is just inside the range. You're going to get caught up in chop. As you can see, we just keep breaking the low and then get sucked in chop. So this was the low. I want to see displacement. Pull back to the gap. Short there. So I actually took 2 entries on Friday. Your stops, I'm pretty sure I put mine like here-ish. Because was there a... Yeah, there was a small 2-minute in here I wanted to cover. That was there. I'll mark that in red. Also, yeah, I changed up my chart color slightly. But yeah. So we tapped in there. And then I wanted to see that monthly gap. Once we got down, once we broke this low and closed down here, I actually went break even because I didn't want to see price return. Let me just go to 2-minute. Yeah, so we had a 2-minute gap there that I wanted to see hold and send price lower. So we did end up holding it and we took the internal low and then we just ran back to break even. From there, we tapped into that 2-minute. And then the re-entry came once again. What buy was it? Yeah, cool. So again, we tap into that 2-minute, we start breaking down. That wasn't on 2-minute, that looked clean. No, 1 minute, cool. Anyway, we displace here through these lows, open up the gap, short there. Stops on this high. Target, monthly gap for a 1.4R. Obviously, it would have been nice if I took this on a funded, but follow the rules. I already got done trading in the AM session where I took a little W. But then, yeah, this came. So, PM session delivered as well. But, yeah, man, that is my view on the markets coming into a new month, a new week. And, yeah, we'll see what next week brings. Hopefully, we can have another good week. March was actually profitable. I'd show you my TradeZella results for March, but I most of that was on eval, and where I deleted my eval account off there to link my funded, then all my P&L days were gone from there. So nonetheless, it's all on my YouTube anyways, like from my Road to Funded series. So yeah, man, I will catch you boys next week. Join the free Discord. I'm going to be active on that shit. I really want to try and grow that Discord community up now. I'm going to be live trading every day that I'm around anyways, and yeah, try and grow a cool little trading community. So yeah, man, I will catch you boys well tomorrow for a new week and a new month. See you then.